That's how you feel about me, huh? What are you talking about? I don't know why you messaged me saying, like, why do you hate me? I was like, what are you talking about? When you're feeling, I don't Snapchat anybody back. I'm, like, not a Snapchatter. I never have been. So, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh my god, sick. You are a sick, sick person. There's nothing. I never said your name. You could have just let it ride. There's nothing else I can say. Hey. What bikini should I wear today? Maybe a blue one? Let me think. Being obsessed with me is crazy work, but you still are, so I guess we're both crazy. Orange. The orange. Remember when Eminem was like, yeah, I can rhyme a bunch of shit with orange? Nothing else I can say. Hey. I should have blocked that guy, but I was in the mood to fight. Because that guy always comes up and says rude stuff to me. So I can't say, hey, hey. Oh, really? I'll show you.
And it kind of pisses me off because I can get around with it exactly. Orange.
Why is there music in the background like he's like solving cancer or something?
Where'd you say that you bend the word orange? And it kind of pisses me off because a lot of things that rhyme with orange. Orange rhyme with banana.
Just play the clip.
Enunciate it and I put my orange, 4-inch door hinge in storage and ate porridge with George.
None of that shit rhymes, but...
So should we get some appetizers for the table?
Sure, yeah.
You want to do some appetizers?
Yeah, definitely. What were you thinking?
Did you see that guy right there? Oh my god, what was that?
That movie was so scary.
Prettier than your pictures could have ever even led me to believe.
Thank you.
I wanted to say